na inaano ng ano yan, population
Yes, and of course,
population.
Yes, of course. And of course, Miss, no, sir, no, we would like also kung hindi din masigasig ang ating municipal mayor, Mayor Folibar Bautista.
Yes, mama.
Without his support, yes, talagang hindi natin kaya din itong mga trabaho at mga programa na magampanan natin talaga ng maayos because of his support. Talagang, and of course, nakikita ko talaga kay Mayor, he is very hardworking. Kung kaya niyang atinan, puntahan, talagang lulusutan ni Mayor. Mayor, we would like to congratulate you as well because of this award, and of course, headed by our Gender and Population Officer, Sir Carlos Yabot. Sir, congratulations, no? And of course, the rest of your staff.
Yun nga, ma'am, yung sabi ko, kung kasi we are being inspired, na-inspired din kami sa trabaho ni Mayor kasi hardworking talaga siya. So, sabi ko nga, kung nagtatrabaho si Mayor ng 15 hours, dapat kami 16 hours.
Yun, yes. Talagang based on leadership talaga, no?
Yes,
And of
ma'am.
course, sir, we would like also to give you the time. Baka may nais ka pa pong pasalamatan, nais i-mention for this award. And of course, other na gusto mong pasalamatan talaga dahil tumutulong sa inyo sa population and other
okay, ma'am. Una-una, ma'am, sa ating butihing Mayor, Honorable Folibar Prumi sa Kapanyo Bautista, at sa mga department heads ng LGU Malay, ang partners namin sa Municipal Health Office, and pag-implement ng mga health programs, yung sa responsible parenthood na mga programs namin, yung Aklan Provincial Population Gender Office, and then of course the CPD Region 6, no? And sa aming opisina, sa kapwa ko empleyado ng Municipal Population Gender Office.
Yes, ayun. And of course, sir, we would like Sean. Ayan. Ako, wow. Ang ganda naman pala ng place na pinag-aanan nyo, sir. Ayan. Ayun. Yung kasama mo, sir, is we would like also to recognize.
Si Ma'am Irene De La Torre at si Ma'am Mary Joy Sabay.
Ayun. Yan. Naku, nandyan. Flashing yung logo ng Malay. Nakaka-proud. Ayan. Ayan, sir. Sino itong mga kasama mo, sir? Ito
yan, from Municipality of Calibo, headed by Honorable Cynthia de la Cruz, yung sangguniang